A lot of different hard drive interfaces that have existed for modern computers. There are many that have been outdated. Okay, so again, lots of stuff left off this version of the A+ exam. No longer need to worry about IDE, EIDE, DMA drives. All of these were a part of the same core interface called parallel ATA, PATA. And you don't need to know any of that, but that's the history. And then PATA was contrasted by serial ATA, better known as just SATA or SATA, just depending on who happens to be saying it. I don't know that one is right or wrong. So that's serial attachment interface. But the interface just represents the communication standard that exactly, controls how the data is going to flow to and from the disk drive. So you have the controller, the interface, and the drive itself. The controller is an adapter board that plugs into the PC's expansion slot, or more commonly is built into the motherboard. So we get a motherboard and it's got 4 SATA connections. Serial versus parallel is 1 at a time, as opposed to 8 or more at once. That's parallel. And so you're just going to have a single, each one of those represents a separate controller and an interface. The controller and the interface are, built around the same component that is in the motherboard. Really, the only time we would need an additional controller is if we need additional capabilities, like fault tolerance. So for instance, we can do a RAID controller that would allow us to have that fault tolerance. Otherwise, what you need should be on the motherboard, okay? And the various drives can be connected using different standards.